Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play No Players Online on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play No Players Online on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this website, since this is where we will download the game. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download No Players Online on this website, first, I want you to search for the game right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game right here. Just go and click it. And then you will now be directed to the downloading page of the game. So here at the downloading page, I want you to scroll down, and then you will now be able to see the download button. Just go and click it. And then here, although this is optional, but you can choose if you want to donate money to help the developer of the game. But if you don't want to, you can just go ahead and click this. And then click the download button to finally start downloading the game. And then the game will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the game. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your No Players Online game installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start playing it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.